I recently have purchased Insta360 Luna standard combo, and in this video you will be seeing unboxing of it. So this camera is literally very hyped right now in the market because of its detachable screen and the image quality. The camera is Insta360 Luna Ultra and co-powered with the lens of Leica. On paper it says 4 hours of battery life. Now without further ado, let's unbox. So here we are able to see this camera with the hard shell cover. Yes, it comes with it. We'll see it afterwards. Then in the box you get 1/4 thread handle which has USB-C in and USB-C out, also the release button, and then there is mini tripod which is really handy sometimes with universal screw attachment. And then there are a lot of documentation which we never read. This is the warranty card and the documentation and more documentation, and this is the sticker, 2 colors. You also get one lanyard cable and a mini sponge to protect your lens. Now let's see the camera hard shell, which is of really good quality, and DJI should take a note of it because it is really helpful. Inside you get wide angle lens and black mist filter lens placeholder, which is really convenient. Now let's check the beast itself. Here you can see wind guard because it has omnidirectional mic, and the feel in hand is really sturdy, which is a good thing. Here is that dual lens sensor, and now let's turn it on. Actually I had opened it earlier, but for the first time you'll get a firmware update. And if you have seen the WALL-E movie, the main character looks similar to this lens. This is the standard bundle, but with creator bundle you get additional battery handle and mic pro. But I didn't want battery handle, so I purchased the mic pro separately. So now let's thread it, because why not? It looks small, but it is really important. So if this video really helped you, please consider liking it, and for more hands-on review of this, then unboxing of Mic Pro, please subscribe to the channel. Videos are coming soon. Lost Mote, living young and wild and free. Bye.